Hi everyone, my name is Earl Jones and this is my channel trailer. Now this video is going to help you subscribe to my channel and you can also know about the things I teach on this channel from this video. Now imagine turning your laptop, your phone and AI tools into money making machines, all from the comfort of your home without a full-time job. I know this sounds crazy and it sounds too good to be true. Stick around because on this channel I'm going to show you how to exactly do this. I help people like you discover the best AI tools, tech tricks and side hustles that actually work in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or you're already making money online. On this channel, you'll find step-by-step tutorials on how to master AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DupDub. Of course, there are a bunch of AI tools that I'll be teaching on this channel as well. You're also going to learn proven side hustles that you can start today. And the best thing about these side hustles is that it's available worldwide. You can also learn tips to grow on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms using AI or the power of AI. You get to also learn time-saving tech hacks that makes life easier and more profitable. I've helped hundreds of viewers start their first online income streams, create faceless YouTube channels, and get verified on TikTok accounts for monetization. Everything I show you is tested and beginner friendly. I don't do clickbaiting here and I don't gatekeep anything from you guys. If you want to learn AI tools, start side hustles and grow your online income, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. I post tutorials each and every week on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and these tutorials can literally change how you earn online. Ready to take your online hustle to the next level? Let's get started right here. My name is Earl Jones and subscribe to my channel. Peace.